research group. We're studying lupus. When I started with the ANRF, my budget was like $150,000, but with that seed money, it's now 4 times that. I think the ANRF's investment in early career scientists, makes a big difference, and that money has the potential to amplify. I think it goes back to residency. I saw that there were certain fields where we had a decent handle on things, but this field, there's just so much, so much still to be done.
So I have a long-standing interest in cells from the immune system called T cells from the time that I was a graduate student, and they play a really important part of certain kinds of arthritis, like rheumatoid arthritis. And so trying to understand what happens, in certain folks that develop rheumatoid arthritis is a really fundamental question that we're trying to address in the lab. What is the what's the process that normally allows our immune system to do what it's supposed to do without causing problems, and what happens when it does start causing problems in an autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis or multiple sclerosis, things like that. Just interacting with everybody that's there, the donors, some of the patients, the people that you can hear more about the stories that. Right. And one thing that's been really interesting is it's been kind of for me as a scientist, I'm really interested in understanding the basic biology, the immunology that's going on, but being able to meet face to face with somebody who's actually suffering from osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis and what have you, it's really it's kind of gives you that validation that what you're doing is important.
We don't support research, then who else will? It's very important to support those who are very passionate about finding cures for other diseases, and especially for those diseases that affect, loved ones or myself. Rheumatoid arthritis is very tricky. It's not an everyday, my joints don't hurt every day like your grandmother's osteoarthritis hurts. Mine, I can sometimes CrossFit and lift heavy, and next day I can be in bed and not use my legs. So I wish people knew the variations of arthritis. Because I know that they're highly involved in research and finding a cure for all sorts of autoimmune diseases and arthritis. And it's a foundation that's very passionate about finding a cure. So that encouraged me and inspired me to help.
Years ago, my daughter asked me, am I going to have it too? My sister and I both got diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis when we were in our 30s. And when they asked me that, it was like, I got to do something to let them know that it's okay, that I'll survive. Since then, I've ran over 25 half marathons. I just completed my 5th full LA marathon, and I'm doing my 2nd ultra marathon next week.